as I focus more on my personal brand, I have to delegate all the tasks for my agency. I have to delegate things that I can't necessarily do anymore. I'm focusing on things that are going to get me to the next level, increase my income, allow me to scale my name and brand awareness even further. So there's a couple of people that I'm hiring that I know that you could benefit from if you're looking to scale. Number one is a VA or an assistant to handle administrative tasks, things that I can't get to every single day. So like customer service and emails and people inquiring about services and pricing structure and all that stuff. The second piece is a video editor. As you're watching this video right now, I just recently hired a video editing team to take my content to the next level, because if I'm gonna be scaling, I have to bring everything else with me, and that means my content. I'm getting a TikTok editor because I need to get on that platform because I'm not pushing enough content on there, and it's a huge arbitrage. It's a lot of reach. There's a lot of views that are available for me to basically grab, and just a great way for me to scale and get more brand awareness and increase my following. The next thing is emails. So the person recording this is doing my emails, and the reason why I need to do that is because I can't write every email. I'm dealing with mentorship students, I'm dealing with clients, I'm dealing with other things that I'm working on behind the scenes that I want to push out, and that's going to allow me to scale even further. And I can't do those tasks anymore. I can't be that person. I have to stop being the bottleneck of my business. And the only way that you're going to scale is by literally finding a person for everything that you're not as good at or you don't have time to do anymore. The last piece that I would really suggest is like a bookkeeper or a budgeter, someone who can like look at your finances, see where the money's coming out, going in, so that you're not overspending. If you're scaling, obviously you're gonna be making more money, but you have to watch that money closely because you don't know where it's going, because you're making all these transactions every single day. So keep that in mind, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, and I'll see you guys soon.